Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add some background information to your profile in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the My Account section, click on the profile button. And then if you scroll down, look for the background section where you can share more about your personal, professional and travel experience. So just click on the add experience, and then you have to select what type of background information you want to share. For example, education, and then you can just start typing, like where you have studied, or if you have any degrees, or any further education. And once you're ready, just click on the save button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.